What are you doing, Gabby? Gabby, what are you doing? What are you doing, Gabby? Everybody loves Gabby. Oh, Gabby. Oh, yeah. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all have an awesome day today. I'm going to be doing a bunker update. I want to do a 24-hour bunker challenge. I've had a lot of people actually suggest that. If you guys didn't know, I got several videos out on my storm shelter slash bunker that I call it. So I want to get it in there. I have not opened it in over a year. We have not had need to get in there. So we're going to open it up for the first time in a year, see what's down in there, and we're probably going to find some stuff that we don't want in there. So I'll bring you guys along, and I got a little plan for that. But first, I'm going to show you the quail. I like showing you guys little updates. So we got stuff going on the farm. Let me show you the quail. Me and my daughter Hopi just got it all cleaned out, collected the eggs, and I want to show you something in here. Oh, got the quail set up. Oh, they actually laid another egg. All right, so they've laid an egg since we've been in here. Let me get that real fast. So, if you noticed, I put little locks on these things. Now nothing can get in there. Before I didn't think about, but anything can just crawl up here and open that up with their hand. Now I just got these from Walmart for like, I don't know, $1.50 for 2 of them, and I'm just clipping them on just like that. And now I got a locking system on there that's easy to get in there too. It's not too much of an inconvenience, and it protects the birds. So yeah, we got this all cleaned out. Hope it was a big help. She loves coming out here and helping do this stuff, and I love having her help me. But I got one quail egg left. We actually got 7 earlier. Now I got the 8th one. I've been getting anywhere from 5 to 8 eggs a day, which was pretty good. If you didn't know, I am hatching some more quail out. It takes about 17 days. I've been on there about 3 or 4 days, I think. So there'll be videos of that in the future if you're into quail and all that. But I'm actually holding these back for a good buddy of mine, Kevin, from Hidden Heights Farm. Me and him are going to do a little bartering. He's always done like, I don't know, swapping and just always getting stuff, fixing it, selling it. He's always anything he touches pretty much turns to gold. You know, he's probably going to end up. There's going to be some rare, expensive eggs he'll be able to sell on eBay for like $5 a piece. Once we barter for him, it's pretty funny. If you get a chance, go check him out. But he's got some turkey that he hatched, and we're going to be bartering some eggs for turkey or whatever. I want to raise one of his turkeys for Thanksgiving this year. And I said, hey, you want to trade some eggs out? Because he's been wanting to hatch some quail eggs. And he said, absolutely. So we're going to do that. Let me go put this up, and then we'll get back with the bunker. Boy, did we get the rain last night. I think we got over an inch and a quarter is what everyone's saying. I could probably build me a little pond right there if I wanted to. Y'all hungry? Huh? She is an absolute beast. She is huge. That Rambo and her are born on the same day, the same mama. Look how much bigger she is, but he's a bottle baby. All right, back over here at the bunker slash tornado shelter. You call it what you want. I like calling it a bunker. For some reason, that gets people up in an uproar. Look up the definition bunker, and that's what this is. Is it a tornado shelter in Oklahoma? Absolutely. Is it a bunker maybe somewhere else? Sure. All right, let's take a look. I haven't been in this in a year, but the thing is, it's springtime, and we are about to have to start getting in this because in Oklahoma, we live in Tornado Alley, and we always get tornadoes all around us. So I'm going down in here. I got suspicions there's going to be some critters we don't want, so I brought me a little can of fogger just to kind of wipe them out. Okay, we're down here in the bunker. There's going to be a little echo. This is just really enough room for my family, maybe a few others. So I like to make sure it's cleaned out before spring hits because usually there's some black widows and stuff in here. I do not have a seal around this door like I need to get. It should have came with one, but it didn't. I need to put one on there because there are things getting down in here. And somehow a mouse got in here. That's crazy. So we're gonna have to clean this out. You can see I actually had some solar lights strung up. Looks like it fell. That ain't good. Well, dang it. Looks like something's chewed a hole in the little netting, so that's probably how things are getting in here too. This one not too much. But there has been a mouse in here. I can see mouse turds. Yeah, we gotta get this cleaned up. There's actually a worm over there. What the heck? You can see I got bottles of water, some snacks for the kids. This was my light. Man, there's been a mouse in here big time. Now I want to do the 24-hour challenge, but I don't want to do it with black widows and mice, so we're going to have to take care of this problem. I may end up having to take everything out of here, probably not today, and just sweep it out, clean it up, get that door fixed, get it sealed. But you can see there's a spider over here. You can see there's crickets in here, so that tells you there's some things eating crickets, and that's usually not good things. The last thing you want to do is bring your family down here and want them to get bit by a black widow. So let's flip up this cot and we'll see if there's anything underneath there. Oh yeah. Yep, there's one right there. Anybody know what those are? All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna set this bomb off in here, this fogger, close it up, seal it up, and in the next day or two, I'll come back in here. I'm gonna have to clean all this out, sweep it out, and see what we got going on. Because we do not want to get bit by anything. You can see that. This is like I think it's a 6x10 or 6x8 storm shelter bunker. So it saves thousands of lives every year, this type of shelter. They are awesome. It's a must if you live in Oklahoma for sure. Let's get out of here. Whew. So yeah, you've seen there's spiders in there. I hate them. I hate spiders. That's one of the things I despise, are spiders. And we found some in there. There was no black widows. There might have been that one in there. It's kind of like a little sketchy, but there wasn't a black widow. But that doesn't mean they're not in there. I didn't turn everything around, look for everything. But when I do come out here and clean this up, I'll be wearing gloves for sure. Hopefully that fogger takes care of it. So we'll see. I do that about once a year, like I said, in the springtime. Just if there's any spiders in there. We found black widows in there several times, so you need to make sure they're dead. And that's what we're doing today. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing the 24-hour bunker challenge where I live in there for 24 hours, it's not unrealistic for that to happen out here in Oklahoma, because sometimes people get stuck in their garage. There's in the garage ones, and their house will fall on and they can't get out. Right here, a lot of people ask how you can get out of there if a tree falls on there. Well, we don't have any trees around here, so like, yeah, maybe I guess if the house blew on it. We have a jack that I keep in there, usually, but I took it out to use on my lawnmower, so I need to get that back in there. And that's one way you could jack 2x4 and all that stuff, open the door. That's supposed to work. If it doesn't, then you kind of just wait on your neighbors to come find you and to rescue people. It could be days. I mean, you never know. That's why I do got water in there, got some MRE, so we're ready if we had to. And people ask, what do you do for the bathroom? Well, we got buckets in there too. Yeah, it can get pretty bad whenever you're in a survival situation where you got your family down in there and you're bunkered up for 3-4 days. It definitely happened before, not with us, but people throughout the world. It happens. Probably even now, even in the Middle Eastern, people are hiding in bunkers, running from God knows who, and trying to save their lives. But anyways, enough of that. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing me staying here for 24 hours, let me know. I have been getting several comments throughout the last few weeks. I got some bunker videos that are doing pretty well. Usually about this time of the year, I got this video on them insulating it. Usually does really well for me because it's just that time of the year. So yeah, if you're interested in that, let me know down below. Dutch, we want to see you live in that thing for 24 hours. Live in it, yeah, right. More like just camp out in it. But yeah, that's something I thought would be kind of cool. You guys might be interested in doing or seeing me do. So let me know down below. Hey, if you like this video, smash that like button and leave nice comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Did you help me with the quail?
Yeah.
Where'd you find that?
In the old house.
Hey, thanks for helping me.
Welcome.
Love you.
Wait till it's on.
Yeah, can you say bye?
Bye. Look at me.
You're good. Don't fall.
Oh my.
Oh.